Changing the oil in a Jack F4 might sound intimidating, but trust me when I say it's surprisingly doable. It's one of those maintenance tasks where you don't just save money, you also get to feel like you've conquered something. Plus, it's not about being a car guru, it's about following a system. Step 1 is preparation. You'll need fresh oil, refer to your owner's manual for the right type, a new oil filter, a wrench set, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, gloves, and some rags. Oh, and don't forget a funnel. Funnels matter, trust me. You'll also want to warm up the engine for about 5 minutes before starting. Why? Warm oil flows better, and you want to drain out as much of the old stuff as possible. Pro tip, don't overdo it. Hot oil burns are no joke. Locate the oil drain plug underneath your car. It's probably the most awkward feature ever designed on a vehicle, but it's usually easy to spot. A bolt sticking out of the oil pan. Position the drain pan underneath, slightly off-center since oil tends to shoot out at an angle. Now for the fun part, removing the drain plug. Use a wrench to loosen it, but go slow. As soon as the bolt is out, oil starts pouring like water from a broken faucet. Let it drain completely into your pan. This takes patience. When it seems like the oil is done draining, wait a little longer. Seriously, another minute or two goes a long way. Meanwhile, locate the oil filter. It's generally near the engine block and looks like a small metal canister. Oh, and wear gloves. This part gets messy fast. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the filter. Be ready because it's usually full of oil. Slowly tip it out over your drain pan. At this point, your whole workspace is starting to look like a murder scene, but that's normal. Take your new oil filter and dip a finger into your fresh oil, then run it along the rubber gasket of the filter. This helps it seal better when you install it. Screw the new filter in by hand. Don't over-tighten. Hand tight is generally sufficient. Go back to the drain plug. Grab a rag, clean off the bolt and the oil pan threads to ensure a good seal, and then reinstall it. Tighten it just enough to snug it up. Don't go Hulk mode. Now open the hood and locate the oil filler cap. Twist it off, stick your funnel in, and slowly pour the new oil in. Your manual will tell you exactly how much. Too little or too much can cause problems. Once the oil is topped off, replace the filler cap and start the engine for about 30 seconds. Then shut it off and check the oil level with your dipstick. If it's a little low, add more. If it's too high, you overdid it. Don't panic, just drain some. Dispose of the old oil responsibly. Pour it into a sealed container. Most auto parts stores will take it off your hands for free. Don't be that person who dumps it down the drain. That's illegal and terrible for the environment. That's it. Oil changed, task conquered. Changing your own oil isn't just about saving $40, it's about getting control over the little things in life. Also, no judgment if you make accidental puddles. Been there.